Peace to my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family. I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug, and I am back as promised with another video where we'll be talking about the next life path number, which is number 7, which, by the way, I'm very excited about. So I don't want to waste too much time, so I'm going to get right into things, okay? If you are a life path number 7, more than likely you're a very intelligent, enigmatic, and very private individual. You are very analytical. You prefer to conduct your research and never take things at face value. If someone is keeping any secrets from you, you won't have any issues finding what lies beyond the veil. And you are an individual who's very skeptical and inquisitive by nature. Okay. Your intuitive abilities stay lit. All right. However, spirituality and metaphysics are great mysteries to you. It may be imperative for you to have either spiritual or religious beliefs. If not, you may feel as if your life lacks purpose. You are a history buff and a hoarder of knowledge, and more than likely, your shelves may be loaded down with books that you have yet to read. And you would do very well to keep yourself grounded and around water or take nature walks because they'll be good sources to strengthen your psyche. More than likely, you're quick on your feet and when it comes down to being witty and humorous, which can be very attractive traits that you possess. You may struggle with intimacy because you feel such relationships are hard to sustain because you can come off as being a little bit too secretive to others or to your counterpart. Therefore, if you're in a relationship, be sure you're upfront and honest with your counterpart, especially if you have a 16/7 in your chart, which is the karmic debt you came here to clear up. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about what karmic debt is, go and check out a video that I've created specifically for that topic, where I break down what everything means. And you can do that in your spare time, okay? Now, if you happen to be operating in a low vibrational state, you might struggle with things such as jealousy, and you might have ego issues as well. And also, you will learn lessons about maintaining and respecting boundaries. On the other hand, if you're vibrating at a higher level, you may possess an unmatched magnetism and you are charming, smart, funny, as well as attractive. Okay. And also, you love making people feel at ease, even though silently, you judge and doubt yourself. So just to put it out there for you, if you're a number 7, life path number, you would do well being in the company of a 3 life path number because of their outgoing nature. And this particular partnership, whether it be friends or lovers, can keep a 7 from spiraling downward into a state of reclusion or even being antisocial. Now, career wise, 7s find themselves in fields such as researching. They can be historians, museum curators, criminal profilers, spiritual or religious teachers, or lawyers. So, you also may enjoy working alone, and you will probably have no more than about 3 jobs throughout your life. Also, you are an individual who needs enough sleep to power up. You may be prone to neck problems due to always holding your head up. And to keep yourself from overthinking everything, you do well to meditate, do yoga, take relaxing baths, or take a nice hike or nature walk. Now, for the fun facts. As we take a closer look at the shape of the number 7, you can see how it resembles a boomerang, which presents itself in relationships, living situations, vacations, as well as careers. And due to your one-track mindset, you may find yourself returning to the same people, jobs, and places of the past. Also, the base of the number 7 doesn't offer a lot of support. So, on the other hand, if you're out of balance, you can easily fall prey to depression, addictions, and insomnia. And if you are a life path number 7, your lessons this life cycle will be to learn to be more vulnerable and open up more. Okay, now let's take a glimpse at the celebrities who are also life path number 7s. And here we have the GOAT and the late great Muhammad Ali. We have Mel Gibson. We also have Aaliyah, aka Baby Girl, and Mr. Say Hello to My Little Friend himself, Al Pacino. So that's all I have for my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family today. And like always, if you happen to like or love the content I've been sharing on this channel, please feel free to hit that like button and leave a positive comment below if you wish. And don't just subscribe, but hit that notification bell as well so you're one of the first to know whenever I upload a new video. And on that note, once again, it's the Cosmiq Soul Plug signing off until the next video. Peace and Ashe, beautiful family. Later.